Hi everyone, very good evening. One of the good news, those if anyone spent any amount like Sahara group లో ఎవరైనా అమౌంట్ పెట్టుంటే just reclaim చేసుకోండి. Today only I got this. The registration started. Those who have kept their money in Sahara group, something like earlier there is a Sahara insurance company was there, right? So this is the Supreme Court order has given on 29th March, and from today onwards, the refunding of depositors has been started by central government. So you can utilize this feature to reclaim your amount if you people have invested in Sahara. Okay, anyone or you can tell to the people. The registration starts from today. Just this is a very simple process. You have to provide the Aadhaar number, Aadhaar link details, and get a copy and log in. And you have to fill some basic information, and the amount will be deposited to your Aadhaar linked mobile address, Aadhaar linked account number within 45 days. The fund is going to clear up to 2 lakhs first in 45 days. Then something like 5 lakhs in another 90 days, whatever your amount. Okay. You have not yet joined. Just wait for some time. We'll start up the session. Okay. Hi everyone. Very good evening. Welcome back to the session. So I think people will join. No worries. We'll start up the session. So we need to open, right? So we will install first, like we installed 8.1 last day. So today we are going to install Windows 11 because we have to see the difference, right? We are just, most of the people might see this Windows 10 because it's a common platform, right? So today we're going to install a Windows 10, Windows 11 in a virtual environment. Okay, so for that what we need to do, please start along with me. So it is something like create a new virtual machine, or just you just see once then follow us. Okay, click on virtual machine, new virtual machine. So it will give you this time. Last time we followed the typical recommended common process, right? This time we will do everything manually. Okay, so I'll choose custom, right? I'll put next. So there is a hardware compatibility. You can keep the older hardware compatibility, otherwise keep it 17x. You should not touch. No worries. You can keep your hardware compatibility as latest. Okay. Now go next. Here it is asking the disk. We don't have any CD, DVD in a real time. So what I'll use installer ISO here. See, installer disk image file ISO. I will select and browse. So I'll choose a Windows 11. Windows 11 is there. Yes, it is there, right? So I'll choose the latest one. This is my latest one, Windows 11. And I open. See, it is Windows 11 detected. Got it? Now I press next. Where do I create my virtual machine? So I will create in my F drive. Where? F drive. Here I will create a new Windows. Let's say this Windows 11. Okay. See, press OK. So I am creating a Windows 11 virtual machine on Windows 11. Okay. Now press next. So it is asking, there are some choose encryption type and password and all. Give, just give one password to this, because this is the first thing that you have to understand, because this is the one is considered as a TPM. This is known as trusted platform machine, module. So this is the first time introducing the TPM capability in Windows. So if you have that feature, so in my case, let's say, so I have computer management. So how will I see computer management? You just right click here. There is something called computer management. Okay. Click on computer management. So most of the new machine used to feel this. You just get this. Go to device manager. Go to device manager. There is something called security devices. See, when you click this, you will find trusted TPM, this trusted platform module. So you can see this. If you have this, that means you can install in your base machine also. Okay, you can install your Windows 11 base machine also. Okay, this is a mandatory protocol is required to install Windows 11. Okay, without this you can't install Windows 11. Then it is asking to give one password. So give or generate. Now just click generate. It creates. We don't require this anywhere. Okay, or let's say I'll give my own. Instead of that, I'm giving admin@123. Okay, so that I can easily remember. Okay, admin@123. Press next. So it is asking automatically. It is taking UEFI mode. Press next. Number of processors I want to give. By default, I am giving 2. Press next. RAM. So here it is by default taking a minimum of 4 GB. So Windows 11 requires a minimum of 4 GB and a maximum of 128 GB you can use. Okay. So in my case, I am using 4 GB. I don't require 128 GB to create. So I am using 4 GB. Okay. Now I press next. Now this is the known as network adapter, which network you want to use. So right now you are very new, so we will discuss later what is meant by bridge, NAT when we go towards network. Right now by default it is taking NAT, you keep the network as a NAT. Okay, press next. So this is recommended, press next. Next, wherever there is a recommend, you just go and create next. Create a new virtual disk. Next, size. It is saying 64 GB of size. Leave as it is. Next, next, done. Okay. As soon as you finish, it will create here a Windows 11. See, it's creating a disk. Right. See, it is created. Okay. Now we need to start this particular Windows 11. So simply we need to power on this. Okay. Power on the machine. I pause this. We are to starting this. See, Windows 11 is getting started on the background, right? It is a bit slow. It's too slow. Why slow? 1 minute. It is struck. So what I'll do, I'll stop my server, task manager. I'll stop my VMware. Yes. I will restart it, don't worry. Yes. So I'll go to Windows 11. Now I'll start this once again. Okay, that means I think there is some issue. Let me create once. It is not identifying my machine. There might be some issue with my F drive. Is there? Okay. I will create once again new virtual machine. There is some issue. No problem. Custom. Next. Windows 11. Next. I'll go to the same place. F drive. Windows 11. Create to the data I need to delete. F drive. Windows 11. This was created, right? Now I am deleting this. Now I want to create fresh once again. Okay, it's not making me to start. I'll create one more folder. Windows 11. Okay. I'll choose that. Windows 11 instead of Win 11, right? Next, I'm giving a password admin at 123, admin at 123. Okay. Next, uh, two processor, two. Otherwise, two processor more than sufficient. Two. Next, 4 GB. Next, next. Finish. So it is under process to create. Yes, it is created at last. Okay, it is doing some encryption also. We need to wait till it gets completed. Yes, machine is ready. Now start the machine. It is a bit slow because Windows 11 is not those compatible with all the machine. So somewhat slow is there. Don't worry. Sometimes it is not willing to start actually. See, it is a bit slow, but wait for some time. It will get started. I hope machine is not responding. Just wait for some time. I don't know. It is getting stuck or something happening. So anyone started installing Windows 11? Prabhakar sir, Anil, just started. Anil got started. Very nice. Continue it. It is actually getting stuck in my area. I don't know. It is roaming. But other machines are getting started. Let me check another creation. Let me create another machine. Let's say 2019 server. Let's say Windows 2019 is detected 2019. Next, I'll put something like web drive. You put no key. You press I don't have key. Windows 2019. I'm installing 2019 and also along with Windows 11. Next, I'll use BIOS only. 2, 4 GB, NAT. Any version Pro, better choose Pro. I'll choose NVMe, not a big deal. Next, finish. See, Windows 2000 is getting installed in my machine, but there is an issue with my Windows 11. So Windows 11 has some issue, so there is no issue, no worry. Windows 2019 is getting installed in my machine. Yes, I'm selecting this time. The top one is something either standard or data center with a desktop environment. We require to select these any of these two, not the top one and about middle one. We have to select the second one or fourth one. So you choose any one of it, okay? Press next. Hmm, what happened? Every machine actually నాకు తెలిసి మిషన్ ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం చేసింది నా మిషన్లో ఈరోజు మార్నింగ్ నుంచి మిస్బిహేవ్ చేస్తుంది లెట్ మీ చెక్ అండ్ హ్యాంగ్ అయిపోతున్నాయి ఎనీవే విల్ సి ఇది ఇలా ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తే నేను ఒకసారి రీఫార్మేట్ చేశాను ఈరోజు కూర్చొని ఐ థింక్ ఏదో వైరస్ అటాక్ అయ్యి ఉంటుందని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను మార్నింగ్ నుంచి చాలా డౌన్లోడ్ చేశాను Okay, no worries. We'll take a leave today. No props. We'll see tomorrow. about this. Okay. So I'm very sorry. Really, there's a issue with my machine. Let me check. Okay. I need to identify. Next. Yeah. Uh, I think there is some issue with my machine. It's not identifying some services. No problems. I will check it. Don't worry. Windows 11 started, but it is not giving any data. I think my some of the drives are got corrupted or something will happen. Let me check and I'll confirm back to you guys. Okay. So that's all for the day. We'll meet in tomorrow session. Okay. Okay. We'll see tomorrow. We'll
Okay,
see.
Vishnu.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
My mission got corrupted. I think there is some issue with my mission. So we'll see that tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Bye, sir. Bye.
Okay, Vishnu.
Yeah. Bye. అనిల్ రేపు చూద్దాం రా నాకు తెలిసి ఏదో మిషన్ సర్వర్ మెషిన్ ఏదో